we are in Brussels, Belgium. So currently we are at the Grand Palace.
Hey guys, today we will do lots and lots of activities. Now we are going towards Mannequin Piece. On the way, we will see a lot of souvenir shops, comic street, as well as waffle. Lots and
So
lots of waffle.
this place is filled with chocolates. I want. Yeah, honeybee. They have Disney. Oh my god, that's Simba.
All Disney characters.
Snow White, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh,
Wow.
Ariel. Oh my god, Ariel, she's my favorite. Beauty and the Beast, Mickey Mouse, Aladdin,
Wow.
Stitch, Mickey Mouse, wow, Alice, Wonderland.
All Disney characters. So we will also walk a little bit to find more waffle shops. This is souvenir shop. So if you're coming to Brussels, you must visit this area. So and collect your souvenir.
This is the best place for your souvenirs from Belgium.
Oh, this is chocolate
This is a
shop,
chocolate
but it's
shop.
closed today.
Aww.
Yeah,
Hats, socks.
look at this, the souvenir shop. Ah.
So come on, let's go in.
Yeah, in souvenir shop, it's very famous about the key rings. You can collect all different kind of key rings, which is reflecting the famous things in Belgium and nearby places. And the hats. This is a famous mannequin piece here. It is depicting a naked little boy urinating on the fountain basin. It is a very famous known places in Brussels. After this, we will definitely visit this one. It's just nearby this, but people love to collect this statue. This is the minified structure of Atomium. We will also visit Atomium soon. We will have a video on that. So this is the Grand Palace itself, different kind of a coffee mugs. So all minified structure of symbol of Belgium, the culture, and here also you can see that the jersey and clothes, which is all about Belgium, all about Brussels, the bags. So come and collect.
Now we are going to cross the rainbow crossing.
It's really nice to make everyday things and places a bit more unique. Oh, there's another rainbow crossing over there. So these are some textiles. Oh, this is a textile shop.
Yeah, this kind of beautiful handcrafted design you can find in pillow covers, in cushion cover, bed sheet, curtains. So everywhere you can find these things nearby this street. And this is also nearby the comic strip, which is Belgium. You know that the Tintin, the famous character Tintin, that's a Belgian character. The creator of Tintin is a Belgian. You see the famous rocket, Captain Haddock. So all this beautiful childhood memory, and this kind of a painting you can find it in this street quite a lot. Wow, this is a paradise of waffles. You can see colorful with a different kind of toppings, whatever you want. You can find countless options here. But today we will try with a waffle, bit different. This waffle with the toppings of with the ice cream. So that we heard that it's a very unique taste. So we will try today. You can choose here different kind of a topping, mango, chocolate, pistachio, whatever. But we have chosen this one, this raspberry one, which is a unique flavor. And this is basically the Lee's waffle shop. In Belgium, two type of waffles are there. Belgian waffle, Lee's waffle. Lee's waffle is more thicker and more sweeter and uneven shape, but it tastes wonderful. So the base waffle is hot and the ice cream is cold. Let's enjoy that one. And you see all this Lee's waffle with a different thing, and these are the plain waffle. That's a wonderful one to experience.
A raspberry ice cream with a waffle. I love ice creams, so I'm going to just take a waffle, piece of waffle. 1 second. Yeah. One bit. I'm going to take some of this waffle. I mean ice cream. A little bit more. Hey. Okay, and I'm going and try this.
It's too cold. She got a big bite. It's too cold.
Brain freeze. And like the combination is so good. Like the waffle is really hot and the ice cream is cold and hot. It's really good. Waffle is really soft. Like really soft. And I'm going to try some just ice cream. Tastes like raspberry, and it's raspberry ice cream. Another piece of waffle. Okay, here you go. And okay, not. I learned my lesson. Don't take too much ice cream with a piece of waffle, or else your brain will freeze. That's pretty good.
The chocolate shop. It's a very popular shop here. See how many people are eating waffles together. Wow. Wow. Look at the variety. Okay, basically base is the waffle and over the toppings some strawberry,
That is white.
banana, white chocolate, dark chocolate, some kiwi. This is wonderful. So that's why the shop is that famous. And people are eating like anything. This to shop. come and see for more waffles. This is famous mannequin piece statue, piecing boy.
Rather big boy. If you are in Belgium, you cannot miss waffles. So this is so popular. You must have waffle. So this is a symbolic part of a Belgium culture. That's so beautiful.
So this is really justify why Brussels is famous about waffles. Wow. And I believe this is made of chocolate. So now let's come to mannequin piece. The piecing boy.
Oh, there's souvenir coins.
Souvenir coins are here.
Yeah, that's a famous landmark in Belgium, the Little Pissing Man, the naked little boy urinating into the fountain basin. It was designed by Jeremy. The bronze statue original you can find in a museum, the Belgium City Museum. This is so famous.
This is one must-see place in Brussels. So in Belgium, so once you're here, you cannot miss this. And whenever you come here, you definitely have to try different kind of waffles. So that's all about Belgium. They are very famous of waffles, beer, Belgian fries. Oh, there's plenty of choices. Now, one surprise. Have you seen a cycle? I guess yes. But where? Where you have seen the cycle? We all see, okay, cycles are going in the road and all those things. But have you seen a cycle like a Spider-Man? Oh, yes. You have to believe me. You have to believe us. You see.
There's some cycles literally hanging on the wall.
Cycles are hanging on the wall.
Well,
Wow.
who rides on these? I don't know. Can I ride on these? Can I ride these cycles?
Yes, you can. You have to be Spider-Man first. Yeah, Spider-Woman, Spider-Girl. Oh, oh, oh. All over place in the world, cycle.
Is this a cycling shop or what?
This is a famous restaurant.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. T'as perdu ta...
Look at the painting. It's a part of a comics world.
It's really beautiful.
How? This is the famous place where we should take picture. Sana, take it.
Alright. Ah, wait. Is that a statue? Hey. Oh, no. That's moving.
Okay.
So right now we are going to get a souvenir coin from the mannequin piece. So it takes €2 to get it. So I'm going to enter. Okay, 50 and €1. Hello? Excuse me? Okay. Okay, I took a gold coin. Alright. Yay! So this is the monument piece. I'll turn it around. Oh, this has the Belgian.
You have a choice.
Silver
Gold
or
or
gold?
silver?
I took the gold.
Gold or silver?
I think gold looks better.
Not the original gold.
I'm really happy.
Bye. See you soon.